Hi, I'm Nandita Kumar. I've been working at the intersection of art, science, and technology and community engagement. Scientific information doesn't transpose towards the audience, and I've been using creative practices of the art and interpretations to simplify information and make basic environmental science accessible. I think I'm really been excited because I think these collaborations always bring in different stories to the artwork and the engagement that I plan to create. So I look forward to that. This project is about me collecting information regarding the Venice Lagoon, and I've honed into 36 different pollutants. What you're hearing here is basically one layer which represents the Venice Lagoon. I've done field recordings with the hydrophone underwater. Alongside, we've converted different states of water into frequencies. Side along, as people interact with different QR codes which are present in this poster that I've designed. So this is just a learning game, just to show you how the installation works. It sort of goes onto a website which opens up and it triggers sounds on this giant speaker. The idea is to actually talk about how our consumption constant is triggering all these sounds and giving voice to all the pollutants that are actually invariably landing up in the Venice Lagoon.